Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Urmesha Ideo World. Today I'm going to show you how you can extract the unique values and what is the difference between unique and the nunique function in Python. So let's get started. Here as you can see I have imported unicorn companies sample data here, and this is a CSV file, so I have used read underscore CSV, which is using the pandas library, and this has been stored in a data frame. So I named this data frame as df, and using df.head I pull the first 5 records of this data file. As you can see, there are a lot of columns here, which are the mix and match of categorical variables. Some are some integers, which are few are the categorical, which are the data type they defined here, the object type data types. So as you can see, the company, country, city, industry, select investors, these are those which are belonging to the object type of data type. Object as in they are the categorical, they are the dimension, in such a dimension which have n number of values, unique values you can say. So in this case, when you want to extract the unique values from a particular column, we can use this functions. So here, to get a unique values of the records within the within any categorical column, ideally it should be used for categorical only. So in this column, if you want to pull the unique values, you should use unique as a function. So let me show you this. As we have created the data frame of this file and called it df, so call df dot, and I will pick here country column, which is data type, and it's also a categorical object data type is because they are the categorical, that's why they are typed as this. So df dot country, I will call this column from this using the dot function here. So once dot, then after this I'm using dot again, and we'll write this as a function. We'll call this function unique. So what will it do with whatever the country, I mean within this country column, whatever the values which are unique here, it will generate those. So as I've run this, we can see these are the China, United States, Sweden, Australia, and lot more, India, Finland, Colombia, till Italy. So there are these many unique values within this country column. So this is how you can use unique as a function to get you or extract the unique values out of it. Similarly, if you want to just know what are the total number of these unique values, so I will go with the same column here. So df dot country, and I will write here n unique. As I've called n unique, n stands for the number of unique values. So let's run this cell. It's giving me 46, which says that if you calculate and count this total number of unique values, it will come up to 46. So this is how the difference between unique and n unique. Unique will get you the values, the unique values. It will help you in extracting the values, those values. And n unique, n stands for those number of unique values. So what are the total number of it? So those numbers you will get, so these many are there which are unique. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. um, See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.